morning, I'm Dorothy from Let's Eat Malaysian. Now, I was thinking of eating something that I used to have in Malaysia, and that is coconut pancake. So I'm going to try to do my own version of coconut pancake. I have here coconut powder. I have all of these things laid out so that I can get it all ready, and I've got all my measuring cups, my spoon, my egg beater, and I've written down my notes on the quantities because I tend to forget nowadays. So let's begin. Now first of all, we'll do the coconut ingredient. We'll have 1 cup of warm water. So you take a cup of warm water, five tablespoons of coconut powder. Let's mix this up. Try to get as much of the, dissolve it as much as possible, your coconut powder into your warm water. Try to get as much of those lumps out. Heat 2 eggs inside. And you add a teaspoon of vanilla. And 3/4 cups of castor sugar. Castor sugar. Okay, you're going to blend all these in. I'm now going to put the dry ingredients in a different bowl. I'll use 3/4 cups of plain flour. Sieve your ingredients. So I'm going to put 3/4 cups of plain flour. One 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. So 1/4 cup. One 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. So a teaspoon of baking powder. It's not dry. And a teaspoon of sodium bicarb. and sieve it all in. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt, huh? The desiccated coconut, which I'll use just half a cup to give it that texture, you know, when you chew onto your pancake. So half cup. Yes. Okay, half cup. This you can just mix all this in. The last part is to combine the both ingredients together. Okay, once it's thoroughly mixed in, you are ready to put it in the pan. So let's move on to the cooking area. So I'm going to allow the pancake to stand for about half an hour before we fry the pancake. So I've let it stand so that it will aerate itself. So your pancake hopefully will be nice and soft. This is a big fire, so I'll have to put it down to low. I'm using butter, spreadable Western Star. You're going to spread some butter on your pan. Even though I'm using a non-stick, so that you get the butter flavor on your pancake. So you drop in once you can see it's starting to harden up on the top, then you can check the bottom to see whether it's browned. I'm trying to get the top quite set before I flip it over. Okay, it looks good. So let's see whether I can make a quick flip, man. There you go. Okay, here is the result of your pancakes. Now, if I had used less batter, it would have been, you know, it probably will be a lighter golden brown, but because I've used a bigger pan, but it's okay. It's just a little bit black there, but I'm sure it's going to be a good pancake for you all to try. So thank you for watching, and please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.